The Millionaire Partner System gives you the tools to build an online income stream, but how you use it determines your results. Here's how to get the most out of it. First, connect with the community. This isn't just another online group. It's a network of people walking the same path as you. By sharing ideas and helping each other, you'll grow faster and stay motivated. Second, go through every training module in order. The steps are designed to build on each other. Rushing or skipping ahead can leave gaps that hold you back. Third, make the most of mentorship. Mentors can give you personal feedback, point out shortcuts, and warn you about common mistakes. Use their experience to speed up your success. And finally, stay consistent. Even small actions every day will compound into big results. The key is to keep applying what you've learned and stick with it long enough to see the payoff. Follow these steps and you'll maximize what the Millionaire Partner System can do for you. If you're ready to get started, click my link below and take the first step today.